idea is to put the other guy away fast.
Shooting ass dogs.
It was way faster before. 11/10/2016. Been completely discredited, so my opinion is now the only one that matters. They filmed me before this fucking, you know.
These Olympic guys couldn't do this. You know that. Imagine me in my prime and them filmed in jail. That motherfucker wouldn't have a chance.
I hate the pod, no?
Straight up, nigga. Keep hiding, pussy. Oh, bitches. Bitch ass niggas, homie. What?
Like always, let these cheaters know the business.
1 month left in my challenge horse that made them high. And so help me God, they're hiding just like bitches, fully aware.
Look at you, punk!
October 6th.
All I'm gonna do is add a filter to give it to Rose Dapper shot. Timing is late. Let me slow down. It looks slower.
Whoa.
This is interesting. Watch. This is on site lights. Fucking amazing. No, I didn't sell out a lot to get this performance. It's honestly me just doing me. No matter how you think it went down. Just like on Deep Chick Idiot, add the Dapper shots. They can appreciate my lights.